Today's content reveals around the iPad mini 7, what you need to know before making a purchase in 2024. As the tech world buzzes with anticipation for Apple's latest offering, the iPad mini 7, Apple enthusiasts and gadget lovers alike are eager to uncover what this device has in store. Set to make waves in the tablet market, the iPad mini 7 promises to blend performance, portability, and style in a way that meets the evolving needs of users. If you're considering an upgrade or just curious about what this new tablet has to offer, join us as we explore the features, potential enhancements, and vital considerations surrounding the iPad mini 7. Anticipation and release timeline. The excitement surrounding the iPad mini 7 is palpable as we inch closer to its expected launch in late 2024. Apple's product launches are renowned for their grandeur and high expectations, and this event is no exception. With each passing day, leaks and rumors heighten the anticipation, giving us tantalizing glimpses of the upcoming features and innovations that may redefine our expectations of compact devices. Mark your calendars, as early November 2024 is when Apple enthusiasts can finally get their hands on this exciting new gadget. Design evolution, a fresh take on a classic. When it comes to design, the iPad mini 7 retains much of the charm that made its predecessor, the iPad mini 6, so popular. However, Apple has made subtle yet significant updates that are sure to catch the eye. The overall thickness and weight remain consistent, providing a familiar feel, but the aesthetics are refreshed with new color options. Gone is the beloved pink, replaced by an elegant lighter purple, and a vibrant new blue that are sure to appeal to a broader audience. These design choices not only maintain the compact tablet's sleek profile, but also offer users a chance to express their style through their devices. The refined design is more than skin deep. It aims to make a statement while remaining functional and user-friendly. Display features. A window to the digital world. One of the standout features of the iPad mini 7 is its impressive display. Sporting a 6.3-inch Liquid Retina LCD, this tablet promises sharp images and vibrant colors that elevate your visual experience. With a resolution that boasts 327 pixels per inch and a brightness of 500 nits, the display is designed to deliver clarity and depth, whether you're streaming your favorite series, browsing the web, or editing photos. While it may not hold the title for the brightest display on the market, the iPad mini 7 aims to balance performance with practicality. A potential game changer is the rumored improvement to the refresh rate, addressing the jelly scrolling issues that plagued earlier models. While this remains unconfirmed until the official launch, users can expect a smooth and fluid visual experience for everyday tasks, from reading to gaming.